Lecture number 1, Exploring the PowerPoint Interface. Welcome everyone. Today we begin our journey into Microsoft PowerPoint, a tool that helps us create and deliver effective presentations. Whether you are preparing for a class project, a business meeting, or a personal presentation, understanding PowerPoint's interface is the first step toward designing professional and engaging slides. If you have ever opened PowerPoint and felt overwhelmed by the number of buttons and menus, don't worry, you are not alone. The good news is that PowerPoint is designed to be user-friendly once you understand where everything is. In this lecture, you will learn how to navigate the PowerPoint interface, understand the process of each tab, and locate the tools you will use most often. Objectives of this lecture. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the PowerPoint interface and its key components, learn how to navigate different tabs and views efficiently, customize the workspace to suit your presentation needs. Opening PowerPoint and the start screen. When you first open PowerPoint, you will see the start screen. This one is the start screen. You will see when you will open the PowerPoint. This is where you can create a new presentation from a blank slide by using this one, blank presentation option. Choose from pre-designed templates. You have these pre-designed options available as well, but you can explore more by just clicking on this more themes and you will have more options. And you can open recent presentations or browse your saved files by just clicking on this open option. Click on this and the most recent opened file will be present in here, as we have not opened any file yet, so this space is empty right now. But you can explore from this PC, you can browse from external drive if you have any connected, and you can use OneDrive as well if you have saved any documents saved in your cloud storage. So this is how you can use the start screen. The PowerPoint interface. Key components. Once inside PowerPoint, the screen is divided into several important sections. The ribbon, your command center. At the top of the screen, like this, you will see the ribbon, which contains different tabs. Each tab has a group of tools that help you format and edit slides. The most commonly used tabs are: the first one is Home tab, basic tools for formatting text, changing slide layouts, and inserting elements. Like you can use any of these. You can just add new slide as well. You can change the text by just clicking on this text and this text will appear. And you can use any of the font as well, change the font size, and you can just change the alignment as well and use all of these elements from Home tab. The next we have Insert tab. It allows you to add images, tables, charts, and multimedia. You can use any of these options available in here. You can use pictures, take a screenshot, and you can add chart as well and use the header and footer as well, and all these options you will just explore throughout this lecture. The next we have Design tab. It helps you choose slide themes and background styles. For example, if I don't like this interface, I'll just go to the Design tab, click on this one, this drop down menu, and we'll just have plenty of options available and you can choose any of these. For example, I just want to go with this one, so you will just click on this and this theme will be applied throughout your document. The next we have Transitions tab. It controls slide movements effects between slides. And the next we have Animation tabs. It adds movement to text and objects that you have already added. For example, if I just want this text to come in the shape of wheel, so we'll just click on this and this text will appear in the form of wheel. And if I just want this to be in the form of split, we'll just click on this. Here you can see this effect will be applied on the text that we have already selected. And the next we have Slideshow tab. It prepares and runs your presentation smoothly. The next we have Record tab. This Record tab allows you to record all the presentation and all the effects that you have been working on, and you can export that file as well to your video if you want to share with your colleagues and your teammates. The next we have Review tab. It includes spell check and commenting tools for feedback. If you're working in a team work as a team project, and you can just click on this comment and this comment will be shown to all the team members that are working on this project. And you can use this spell check and grammar as well that will be working on this later on. And the next we have View tab. It adjusts how your slides appear on the screen. The slide pane, where you build your presentation. The slide pane is a large area in the center where you create and edit your slides. This area is called the slide pane. You can click inside a slide to add text, images, or other elements. For example, if I just want to edit this text, I'll just click on this and a text will be appeared, and you can just edit this text as per your requirement. Each slide is like a page in your presentation. Use the click to add title and click to add text placeholder to enter content. For example, if I just want to add a new slide which says title slide, here you can see it says click to add title and click to add subtitle, or if we have a content, then it asks us to add click to add text. So you can just customize your presentation file as per your needs and requirement and the content you are working on. Slider navigation pane, managing your slides. On the left side of your screen, you will see a mini version of your slides. This slide navigation pane helps you rearrange slides by dragging them. For example, if I just want this slide to be at the number second, so it can be rearranged by just clicking the mouse and pressing it and just doing the same thing. Delete slides you don't need. For example, I just don't need this slide anymore, and I just right click on it, and here is the option called delete slide. This slide will be deleted. And you can add new slides by clicking the plus button. If I just want a new slide in here, you can just click on it, and here is the option called new slide. So just click on it and the new slide will appear. The notes section, adding speaker notes. Below the slide pane in here, you will see a small area called notes. Use this section to add reminders or talking points for each slide. When you present in presenter view, only you can see the notes. For example, if I just want to add a note as the second slide, so these notes will be available to the presenter only. If we just go to this presenter view, the quick access toolbar, your shortcuts to common tasks. Located at the top left corner in here, the quick access toolbar contains frequently used buttons like save to quickly save your presentation, undo and redo to fix mistakes easily, start slideshow to preview your slides, and to create a new document as well, you can use this as well. The status bar, keeping track of your work. At the bottom of the screen, the status bar shows important information including slide number. For example, we are working on a second slide, but we have 3 slides total, so it shows which slides you are on and the number of total slides as well. The next we have zoom control, helps you zoom in or zoom out your slides as per the requirement. As we have 81% right now, if we want this to be 100%, you can say, we'll just press OK and the text will be zoomed in. But if I want to go zoom out, you can customize this by just entering the amount that you really want it to be. For example, I just want 50 and I'll just press OK and this will be zoomed out. The next we have view modes. Let's just switch between normal view, slide sorter, and reading view. You have all these options available. This is the normal view. This is a slide sorter, which shows all the slides that you have been working on. And the third we have reading mode. We'll click on that and this slide will be opened as a read mode. You can just press ESC or escape if you want to go back. And the last we have the slideshow, which will be opened in the form of presentation. So we'll just go with the normal view right now. Customizing the PowerPoint interface. To improve your workflow, you can customize the PowerPoint interface. For example, minimize the ribbon. If you need more screen space, click on the small arrow at the right bottom. For example, in here you can use this, which asks us to hide this ribbon. Here you can see this area has been increased and you can just have more space to see your content, but you can just undo as well and you can just see show tabs and command and the interface will be back to the normal. And the next we have change the view modes as well. Use slide sorter view to see all the slides at once, or presenter view to prepare for delivery. If you are working and if you want to prepare for the presentation, you can just switch between these modes as well. And at the end, you can just add custom commands. Right click any button and choose add to quick access toolbar, and you can just go to this area. You can just click on this little tiny drop down menu and you have all these options available. If you want to add or remove any quick access options. For example, if I just want open to present in here as well, so this little icon will be shown. But if I just don't want open and a new as well, but I want a spelling and grammar checker, so this is how you can customize the quick access toolbar as well.